Navigating the complex process of obtaining hospital admitting privileges can be daunting. Let's break down the steps involved. Start by researching hospitals that align with your practice. Consider factors like location, size, and specialties. Complete the hospital's application form with accurate and up-to-date information. Gather essential documents such as licenses, certifications, and medical school diplomas. Familiarize yourself with the hospital's medical staff bylaws and rules and regulations. Understanding these guidelines is crucial. Submit your application and documents to the hospital's credentialing committee. The committee will review your credentials. Your clinical competence will be evaluated by other healthcare providers within the hospital. After the medical staff committee's recommendation, the hospital's governing board will make the final decision. The credentialing process can be challenging. Let eClinicAssist simplify the process for you. Don't let credentialing stress you out. Contact eClinicAssist today.